Wagwan KK gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you join the KK gang. We lit over here. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do my feed-in braids plus box braids. If you want to see this look, then keep watching.
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
My hair is freshly washed and moisturized. I'll be using the pre-stretched Easy Braid Professional in the color number 1. Also, I'll be using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. This jam is amazing. I love it. You're gonna see how good it works for my hair. Also, I'll be using the bees wax. And for the rubber bands, I added oil so it doesn't break my hair. I already separated the hair that I'm gonna be using for my box braids to make it easier, you know, just to run through. Sectioning my hair, I'll be parting it in half to do my half up, half down. Also, that's products on my hair. I have low porosity hair, so the products just sit on top of my hair. I cannot do anything about it. After a while, it will fade away. So yeah, just don't pay any attention to that. Anyways, I'll be starting off my box braids, and what I'm gonna be using is the Shine and Jam to make my part straight. Look at this, it's crooked right now. When I add the Shine and Jam and make another attempt, you're gonna see how good this jam parts my hair. Mind you, I cannot see the back of my head, so this jam came in handy. This is the result after using the Shine and Jam. Love it. Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. Extra firm hold, clean parts, control frizz, no buildup with olive oil, no alcohol. Good for natural hair. You can find them on Instagram. It's called Magic Studios. I'm gonna double check and leave the name down below in the description box. I got this one from my local beauty supply store, the Warehouse. I have a warehouse close by to where I live, a beauty supply warehouse. That's where I got it, but you can find them on Instagram and get this jam. It's amazing. As you can see, I'm adding the jam to my hair for firm hold before using the rubber bands. And by the way, this video was not sponsored. I just felt like giving details about this hair product. I just wanted this video to be very detailed. So nobody feel like say, may I try if you get to know if you buy something. No, I really do like this product. It works well. You go sit down more in the video, say it actually work. And then me go come back and give you a follow up on updates on how long me have in this braid and if it does last. So now go see for yourself. It works. Anyways guys, look how clean my part is. I love it. I finally got done with the rubber band method, and I think it's smaller than I wanted it to be, but this has to work. Also, I'm adding jam to the ends of my hair just to not have my hair sticking out through the braids. So I'm just gonna be braiding my natural hair with the braiding hair. My natural hair is gonna be the third piece. Until I reach the ends, I'm gonna be splitting the braiding hair into 3 pieces. Yo, by the way, in this video, this was a late night. I've never done my hair at night, especially late night to that. Yeah, but I did it anyways. Because I got the good light and I had to change out my bulbs to the LED daylight. And it blend well with my ring light, so why not? Hey, it look like me know me do, don't it? Hooray! Look at me braiding my own hair. You know how happy I am that I know how to do this? Me not have to go to nobody and pay nobody for do my hair. Even though it take me a longer time than if I go to a professional for braid my hair, but listen, that's the least. Me do it. Save money in pocket. Listen, if I can do it, you can too. This is a good protective style. I'm gonna try to keep it in for a good while. My birthday is in 4 weeks. Shout out to the cancers. Hey! So I'm gonna try to keep these braids in for those couple of weeks and then take them down for my birthday. So I'm finally done with my box braids. Now I'm gonna be starting with my feed-in braids. How I do my feed-in braid is I take the same amount that I use for my box braids and split the hair into 3 pieces, and then I feed in the braiding hair into my hair so it can be the same size as the box braids. And just like magic, look at that. When doing my feed-in braids, I start off with my hair and then I start to add in the braiding hair. By the way, it's the same procedure. I apply the gem on the ends of my hair and also on my scalp for clean parts. I'm sorry guys, I probably didn't mention earlier in the video that with the beeswax I keep applying it to the hair while braiding my hair to give it shine and to make the hair more manageable. I totally forgot to mention. Lord gee, look how me I make up my face. Bear with me guys because this was 5:30 the next morning. I was tired, I was over it. I just wanted to be done. My scalp felt tender, but this was the last one and listen, I just wanted to go to sleep. So later that day, that's when I dipped the ends in hot water, and this is the final result. If you want to see more pictures of this hairstyle, please to check out my Instagram page. I uploaded a few pictures. If you made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. And please to hit that bell to be notified when I upload videos. I love you guys so much. I'm not just saying I love you. I really do love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. And stay tuned for the next upload. Bye.